getting younger, seems like they're getting a little bit better. When you're younger, you're actually more impressive. When you get older, you actually suck more. A 3-year-old plays better piano than us, Jack.
Yeah.
We should quit this channel. In this video, we're gonna be reacting to the most impressive piano prodigies on the internet from oldest to youngest and seeing if we have a chance to be like that in our next life. Yeah, you're kind of old, buddy.
You're older.
Says who?
Says everybody.
Whoa. All right, here's the first one.
8 years old?
My son Elise, 8 years old.
Is that 8? Yeah, it's 8.
That's 8.
Elise 8.
What's
I
that?
hope I said that right. Wow. What the hell? That is actually
His suit is too big for him. He doesn't even have a... Man, he's playing on a concert grand. Wait, what was that?
Yeah,
Should we watch that again? That was
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
Wait. Play that back.
I mean, I wasn't prepared for his size.
Yeah, look how big the piano is.
Yeah.
How is he playing such big chords?
He must have, yeah, he's gotta have big hands then. He does have big hands for his size, bro. Look at that.
It's true.
Holy.
Because what was his first chords? Like bum, bum, bum. That was
Yeah,
how
like
many...
D major,
Oh, he was
right?
playing a full octave?
I think I heard it for a while.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But his suit is also too big. And
Whoa,
his hair, everything
is
is
it?
too big.
Yeah.
Like look at this image of
I
him.
feel like it adds to the vibe though.
The piano's too big. Oh, look at how sold out this stadium is.
yeah,
How is every seat filled like this?
Yeah, the guy in the corner, the violinist
Also,
looks like
why does he look like Amadeus, like Mozart?
Yeah.
Why is his hair like that? What? What do you think? This is only 8 years old, man. We're
Yeah.
going all the way from 8 years old to 3 years old. We're gonna be going down.
Going backwards?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
they're getting more and more impressive as they get younger. I don't know this.
Okay,
this is the
okay.
thing.
I
As you're younger, you're actually more impressive. When you get older, you actually suck more. It's a thing.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Is that really? Oh.
But how do you even get to like? How do you think a kid gets to perform like here? Do you think it's money or?
No. First of all, he has the talent and the skill. For
But he's
sure,
8.
Right?
He's not that good for an 8-year-old.
What? Are you kidding? Did you not just?
If
did
you
not see what I
play
saw?
when you start at 4 and you play for 4 years
Well-
to 8, that's very normal. Dude, you're with
I
different
thought-
friend groups, man.
I saw a lot of kids and a lot of.
Well, that's why your price is what it is.
All right. I mean, this is like.
I mean, if I were to teach, all my students would be this level.
Then all your students would be better than you.
That's what a great teacher is.
I guess you're right. Oh, there's one.
What is he doing?
He's looking at the camera.
Why is he looking at the camera?
Oh, he's waiting for the.
he's done?
Yeah, the ending. He has actually really good like.
Oh, he's
playing
even got
style.
he's even got the bow and everything down.
Okay, that's the easiest part. I don't know why you're surprised.
Are
by
you
the
kidding
bow.
me? I remember when I did a concert recital.
Yeah.
And then like I asked my parents or something, how should I bow? And they're like, just do whatever you want. And then the person before me was a girl, and she did like this thing.
You did that too?
Yeah, I walked up and I did this, and everyone laughed. I'm like, why are they laughing at me? Oh man, it's important, man.
Honestly, I think it's a you problem, bro.
Wow, they even have an intro.
我今日為大家
Fly the Bumblebee?
Wow.
Is this hard to play? It's not if you have small hands, right? You just play scales.
I'm actually not sure.
But the left hand is like boom. It's a lot of octaves, I remember.
I haven't played it myself, so.
Oh, that's pretty good dynamics.
Oh yeah.
She has more dynamics than the 8-year-old.
Yeah, true.
But also because it's probably maybe not a concert piano.
Yeah.
That's not easy playing all those.
Whoa.
Well, that's not hard. It looks hard. Fly the Bumblebee looks. She's actually playing quite messy.
Why are you so mean? No, she's 7.
What do you mean?
She's literally 7.
That's how you get standards going. That's okay, I guess. What do you? Dude.
I mean, it's okay. To be fair, what standard are you comparing her to? Because if you're comparing her to like,
I'm
people
comparing to her like if I were to have a kid.
at 7 years old,
Yes.
your kid don't be playing better than that. All right, I'm gonna hold you to that.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna come visit your kid when he's 7 or she's 7. If she's not playing like that,
Maya 6-year-olds. Oh, that's a big jump. Oh, no, it's not a big jump.
no, it's like we're doing this by a year each time. Math ain't mathing, bro.
Okay.
Oh, see, look at that bow.
No, the bow is bad. Oh.
This is like a mini grand or something.
She has good dynamics too.
It's good.
Ooh,
I feel like
it's really
she didn't get much better than last person, but as they're getting younger, seems like they're getting a little bit better. You know?
I'd say she has the most dynamics out of the three.
Actually, yeah, it's because probably this recording audio, you can't hear the dynamics much from a distance.
Maybe.
But from visually, we see her playing. It looks like she
Yeah.
has the most dynamics. More ambient sound. Okay, Jonah, 5 years old.
Ain't no way he's playing.
Okay, this is.
impromptu.
Well, his left hand is. Oh. Wait, show how this is done real quickly. Wait. You're cutting him off because I want to watch him play. And look how he's standing straight on the chair.
Yeah, because he can't reach the pedal.
What?
Wait, that's actually insane. Playing this song at that age.
Imagine if you just had to play the piano standing up. It's actually not easy.
Well, a lot of like pop pianists do that.
Okay, so it's only gonna get better and better. Okay, that part was so-so.
I mean, dude, to
No,
his
yeah.
benefit, he's like fucking. Oh, can I swear? he's like with his tiny hands trying to hit the octaves accurately on the way down. That's hard.
Okay, so if this is 5-year-old, I wonder what 3-year-old's going to be.
Yeah, that's actually insane.
The teacher ate the egg yolk from me or something, or the egg white. This is how old? Well, I missed it. 4 years old.
All right.
She can't even speak. This is literally like.
Wait, back it up. This might not be English, you hater.
Well, I know, but it sounds.
You might just be a hater, bro. This might not be English. Wait.
How can we prove if this is gibberish or not English?
It might be English. That's English. That's English? Okay, it's probably English. Alright.
Oh yeah, today I'm gonna.
Yeah. They all know how to bow, bro. I think
If
that's a
it
you problem.
instructed.
That's not a you problem. Ooh.
How's she reaching the pedal here? She's only 4.
Oh, it must be a.
Oh, it's an extension up on the piano.
Yeah,
It's like a pedal stand.
it must be modified.
I don't know why they don't do that for all the other kids. They gotta like stand up and play. I mean, that was okay.
That's pretty good. Okay, at 4, bro, she actually hasn't gone to school yet.
Yeah, but she could be better. It's like, no, really. No, I'm not kidding. Dude, because the problem with 4-year-olds is they don't have enough power. But her problem right now is not a power problem. It's a dynamic problem, and it's a legato problem. No, she's like, boop, 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 boop. I want more flow. Don't have kids. You're ruining society. Really, I'm serious.
I want to see what your kids are doing that for. I really want. You know what? Let me think.
If anything, I should have 7 billion kids. Cause why have humanity if it's gonna die?
7 billion kids.
Yeah.
I'm off to Mars, bro. I don't know about you, but I ain't staying here no more. Ain't no way. I'm gonna see 7 billion of you running around, bro.
No, she should have played something more suitable.
Like?
I hope they don't watch this. You know,
Why?
like the kids.
Why?
What if they get hurt that we're roasting them?
You're roasting them.
I'm not roasting. I'm just speaking what's on your mind.
Oh wait.
It's
not what's on my mind.
You're a bad communicator.
I'm actually thoroughly impressed by these kids. I teach a lot of kids every day, and
He's trying to be the
they're
good
not-
cop.
I'm not even. This
We're
is
both bad cops,
actually,
but
don't-
we need one person to be the
do
good
not
cop
group
to
me
like,
with-
you know.
Do not group me with the likes of you.
Okay, so before we move on to 3-year-old kid, how are you feeling so far? You have a chance to do this in your next life? I think it's actually any kid could do this, really.
It really depends on the kid itself too, because I mean, all kids have different personalities, right? Not everyone is like a fully blank slate. They all got different personalities and different ways of reacting to discipline and shit. So,
anyways, all your kids can work for all my kids.
there is absolutely no way.
He's happy. Yeah. It's great sound selection. Play something within his ability, physical ability. Could use a little bit more dynamics.
I got chills from that. That was good.
I mean, yeah, this is
For a
great sound
3-year-old?
selection, but
Did you just say could use more dynamics?
yeah, because
For a 3-year-old?
it's not about the age. It's about whether they can do it or not, and he can do it. Because right now he can't press any harder, but he could press softer. Right?